Good morning to Madam Yasota and my fellow friends. Today, I would like to present to you my findings about the assignment given in this final examination. Based on the analysis, both my favorite singer and writer have very similar personalities, except that George Orwell was more introvert, while Taylor Swift is extrovert person. Other than that, they both gravitate towards intuition, feelings, and perceiving. Let's talk about Taylor Swift first. She is 78 extrovert. She likes to interact with people because she is a singer and an actress. She directs 73% of her mental energy to the intuitive, which means she is open to any suggestion and thinks roughly. She found that making her feeling a priority was the best way to deal with emotion, as the result was 72% of the analysis. She enjoys being spontaneous, has freedom and flexibility in terms of work, planning, and decision making. And that's why she has 57% on prospecting personality traits. I think Taylor Swift prefer listening or auditory learning styles. This is in line with her extrovert and fearless personality. We all know that extroverts learn well by speaking, interacting with others, and physically involved with the environment, as it helps to shape their thinking. As a fearless, of course, she is a great listener, owing for the fact that she learns more effectively by helping others and responding to their needs. Auditory learning styles allow her to work with others, such as group discussion, group projects, and exchanging ideas and opinions. She also can use a recorder to record a lesson. Hence, I think auditory learning styles perfectly suits her. Let's turn to George Orwell. Based on analysis, 75% of his methods of interacting with his surroundings are introvert. In keeping with the way he writes, he is a creative and innovative person. He used 63% of his energy for intuition. Rather than making things thoughtfully, he is more comfortable using his feelings. This is evidenced by the results of the analysis, in which he used 67% of his feelings. He prefers to do surveys, study, explore that related to his job, plan his life, and making decisions. He possesses 57% of the personality traits of a prospector or perceiver. In my opinion, he fits the visual learning method. This is very much in line with his creative nature, artistic, and like to study new knowledge, as well as like to be alone. As a visual learner, George can collect data and information from textbook, notes, and newspaper as additional knowledge. Most visual students also use their time quietly to visualize and recall diagrams, mind maps, videos, and notes that they have learned. Based on those reasons, I think visual learning styles very suitable for him. That's all from me. Thank you.